you interested in learning French but unsure of where to start? Join Francoplanet and get trained by native Francophone teachers at affordable prices. Our courses are online, so you may learn from anywhere. We offer courses for both adults and kids. You will get abundant study materials, including audiobooks, video lessons, and exercises. Assessments will be made periodically. Toward the end of the course, you will receive a certification. In addition to this, you will get to converse with native French speakers through a language exchange program. There will be ongoing French club activities to keep your French in good shape. The batches start on December 19, 2022 for beginner, intermediate, and advanced level students. So enroll in our online French language courses right away and start learning.